everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 470 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have some more Dollar Tree makeup products to try out. So these are the Dare to Stare retractable eyeliners from the brand Sinful Colors. And this Sinful Colors brand seems to be new to the Dollar Tree, or at least to my Dollar Tree, but I've been really happy with the products that I've tried from them so far. So I picked this up in the shade Outrageous, which looks like a turquoise shade here, and Dynamic, which looks like a sparkly brown shade. My Dollar Tree, I think, had some other colors, but I was really drawn to these ones, so I'm really excited to see how they perform. It says, directions: apply to lash lines, wink at mirror, work it. That's so cute. And it says, rich, bold color with smooth application, waterproof. So that sounds good too. And since I found these at the Dollar Tree, they were both only $1. So I'm just gonna start out by swatching each color. Oh, I love that they are retractable, which means they just twist up and they have a nice point to them. Whoa, this has really good pigment. I only have to lightly touch to get that full dark pigment. Oh my gosh. This like aqua seafoam green shade is so pretty. I don't have any eyeliners like this. But you can see both of them have great pigment. They applied so easily, just glided on, so creamy. The brown shade has gold sparkle in it, which looks really pretty. And then this teal shade has a matte finish. So I'm just gonna start out by lining my upper lash line. It's so easy to apply. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the lower lash line. And I like that you can actually see that gold sparkle. It actually is visible when applied even just a little bit. You can see the sparkle. I mean, from a little bit further away, you're not gonna notice the sparkle, but from, I would say, about like talking distance away from someone, I think that you can see the sparkle. So I love how easy this is to apply. I love the pigment, and I love that it's waterproof, because I find that eyeliners don't last very well on my lower lash line unless they are waterproof. And now on this eye, I'm gonna try out the teal seafoam green shade. Oh my gosh, that is such a beautiful pop of color. It shows up so bright and pigmented, which is really impressive because I feel like a shade like this can be hard to get a pigment that's actually going to show up as easily as this one does, where you really only need just one swipe to see that bright full color. Like even in the waterline on the lower lash line, it shows up so bright and colorful. My eyes look really freaky right now since there's two different looks going on, but I want to show you a zoomed in view of how these colors look. I am so impressed that these were only $1 each. Wow, I am so happy with these. This just goes to show that eyeliners, especially, I feel like, are a type of makeup product that you don't need to spend high-end price points on. You can find amazing $1 versions, and these are a great example of that. I highly recommend these, and I really want to go back and get this in every single color that they have. I am so impressed. Wow. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried these and what colors you got and what colors are your favorites. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.